Hey guys, what's going on today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. Hey guys, just wanted to kind of review a quick app with you guys, and it's the Ebates app. I never wanted to review this stuff until I got a little bit more knowledge on it. And I didn't really want to give you a video until it actually affected me, and it recently did. So here we go. I originally got this because I was going through just kind of like deal sites or things that gave you kickbacks or points for scanning receipts or stuff like that. So I originally got into shop kicks, and I'd always seen Ebates. I've seen the commercials. I've always heard of them. I just never knew much about it or trusted them, whatever it is. I just kind of maybe thought it was one of those like goofy deal dash websites that, oh, I paid $12 for an iPad. No, that's totally not it. It's basically just you shopping through them, and they get kickbacks, the advertisement dollars that roll back down to you. And I'll show you how significant it really is. It's not so minuscule that you just never see anything. So we spent about $350 on our brand new 2 pairs of Maui Jim sunglasses. If you guys like Maui Jims, check out those review videos. So it was a purchase we were going to do anyway. Not only did we get a huge Black Friday kind of week sale that they had that Macy's gave us on, we also got another $31 back just from Ebates, and it went directly into my PayPal. You could have them send them old school. They'll send you a check in the mail, and that might be quarterly. I'm not quite sure exactly, but I know you have to hit a certain threshold with that. But anyway, let's burn through this real quick so we can kind of sum this up for you guys. So obviously you can see Amazon. You get 5% back. Most of the time that's on the Amazon devices, the Fire tablets, the Kindles, that kind of stuff. 4% dash buttons, luggage 3.5. You can just see it has different classifications. So, 0% for certain things. It probably changes, much like certain credit cards, revolve rewards and stuff like that. So it's not a strict 5% all the time. Groupon, same thing. Not necessarily, I don't think it's a straight 6% across the board, but it might be. I don't know it perfectly, but, again, Macy's, beauty clearance. I think when we had done it, you can even do it. You get 6% online, or you can go to in store and get it for 2% cash back on everything. So you can link credit cards, stuff like that. But look at all these stores. I mean, these aren't just janky stores. These are stores that we all probably shop at daily. You can see you got 35 more. Look at all these. It's just ridiculous. I never knew anything about it. So you can see, and that's just in the featured. You've got cash back. Most of them offer a percent style. Some of them do offer a straight dollar style, which is cool too. But you can search A to Z. Just literally look at all these stores. You're not even gonna be able to see them all. How fast I'm scrolling. And this is just Green Week. Like I said, this is the week after Cyber Monday. I guess they just keep trying to push deals and stuff like that, which whatever. But and you can click over to hot deals up here. You can see 8% cash back. Amazon, Best Buy 1%, Bed Bath and Beyond. Again, these are just awesome stores that we all shop at, I'm assuming. So anyway, so you can come over here down in the bottom. You can see we're in the featured section. You got the in-store, so you could just get the deal, add a card. So you add a card, you link the deals, and then you use the card in store. And right now I'm assuming you can use any card. It wouldn't have to per se be a Macy's card or a Sephora or JCPenney's card. You'd just be able to use anything. So I think that's pretty awesome. Now's the point where you guys try to help me out, or and I try to help you out. So of course, as always, everything's got to refer a friend. So here they give you $25 if you guys use this code. There's the link. You could just press it. It's copied. Share via Facebook, text message, or email. If you guys want to use that code, get yourselves $25. That's one thing that I didn't even do. I didn't even get the $25 on top of the 31. I got straight $31 from Macy's for spending $350. So if you guys do that, awesome. You give me $25, I give you $25. I think that'd be amazing. So here's how it works. You share and invite your friends, remind them when you guys spend $25, I would get $25. So thanks for listening to me on that. Hope you guys do it. I loved it, and I'd love to see you guys get money too. So that's the whole point, is showing you guys things that I like along the way too. So obviously you can search all the stores, see what they got going on. Search all stores A to Z. I mean, just a ridiculous amount of stores. Look at that. Just crazy. Anyway, I'll go through my account real quick. You can see I got $31.52. Now is my lifetime. I don't have anything in there right now. Um, you can see the big fat check history. You can see they paid me $31 through PayPal. Yeah, and I can click it. There you guys go. The transaction. I spent $358.50, and I got 21 bucks back. So I think on this one I did get a $10 sign up bonus because I think once you do it, your first purchase, they do give you $10. So 21 bucks. I think you guys could do the math if you cared. I think my percent was probably 6, maybe 8% back on the Macy's deal. So. But yeah, you can get 10 bucks, shoot 25 bucks for what I told you guys earlier. That's awesome. Missing cash back. You can see I've done a couple links. So I do shop through this app. I've only done it actually, obviously once, but you can shop through the app, and it basically, it's kind of like being on a desktop, and you activate a deal through an email, and you order something. That's how you're gonna make. It's gonna monitor your money. So that just doesn't take anything else. You can get your money through PayPal or a check. This is how you would do it. Continue with the email and sign in, and it would tell me to do a check or PayPal. PayPal, much like Shopkicks, they have a minimum requirement. So as soon as you hit $5.01, you are going to get your payment in PayPal. So if you get something for $2, it's going to kind of stay in your account until you reach that $5.01. You can see credit cards. I'll probably add a couple credit cards on here and do a little shopping and see how that affects us. I know that I've done that with Shopkicks, and we have a TJX rewards one, and that one works really well. We always get our points added to it. This might be one that Ebates we might do as well. I don't know if you can double up earnings yet. Obviously, I'll follow up with a video once I figure that out, showing you guys if you can double up through Shopkicks and Ebates. That would be ridiculously amazing. But we'll see. Anyway, obviously you got to refer a friend as always. Credit cards, express checkout history. Anyway, it shows you how to earn cash back. Obviously, you guys could read this if you wanted at Ebates. You don't fill any forms out. You just shop, validate purchase. Retroactively earning cash back. Obviously, if you did go through Ebates, have to go through Ebates to make the money, obviously. You can check your referral bonuses, contact them about it. But anyway, here's the part I wanted to show you guys. The advertising disclosure. How Ebates makes the money. The Ebates business is based on a simple idea. When you follow the Ebates link to visit the store, that store pays them a commission on whatever you buy during your visit. So then they basically just pass that commission on down to you guys. So for them to get, for me to get 21 bucks through Macy's, I don't really know what they'd be making, but obviously they're making pretty good money. And you can come in through here and see how you can, how it works, doing other stuff. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you that. I'm kind of in this deal mode, so I like to push to you guys deals, things that, put me a little bit out of the box. So if you shop online a lot like I do, use this. It's Ebates. It's a Rakuten company. So, obviously Rakuten's, I think they're on the New York Stock Exchange. It's a big company. I think it's an overseas company. I'm not sure. But anyway, obviously a huge company. They're giving you money back. Who doesn't want free money? So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Check in for my other deal videos coming along. Again, I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process of how to make money. But along the way, I'm going to show you how to make money as well on other on other things too, and just random other things that I like. Obviously, a video a day is a little challenging sometimes, so a lot of stupid videos out there, I'm sure, but at the same time, filling that content to meet those YouTube restrictions and requirements. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And as always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below, and let me know what Ebates has done for you guys, how much you guys save, and what you guys like about it. Anyway, hope you guys like that one, and see you in the next one. Later, guys.